Alright friends, we're going to turn this into this. Much better. First thing you want to do is make sure you got the right size collet. We're using double angle 180s, and this one's 10 millimeter, happens to fit nicely. I'm going to put this into the holder there, put into your attachment, and screw it into place. Once you got the collet installed, you want to make sure it's loosened up just enough so you can actually fit that countersink in there. And loosen the timing rod, line it up with the flute there, tighten it down, then tighten the collet. Bring this back out of the way, and then you'll be in business. Now we got the countersink attachment on the XY table. I'm going to set the angle. There's a little silver knob over here. I happen to be working with a 90-degree tool. Find 90 degrees right there. Lock it down into place. Now we're going to line this countersink to the grinding wheel in there. Make sure it's not on, you don't touch the thing. Pull this up so that it rotates freely, and then get it on. Use these little knobs here to get it just to where the countersink touches that wheel. As soon as it touches, you'll start sharpening. And just like that, you get a nice sharp tool. Just call if you got any questions.